My name is Zahid. This is Fatma and this is Amna. Today we are going to make homemade slime. For this purpose we need shampoo, corn flour, water, food color. So let's start. First I'm going to add shampoo. Now I will add corn flour. Let's put it in. Now I'm going to add food color. Few drops, okay? Mary, help me with it. I will okay, press it hardly. Press. Right. Now we are going to mix it. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water. Now Mary, you should mix it. Guys, look, our pinky pink. Guys, look, our slime is ready. Now let's make shapes. How do I get up? This slime is better. Look, guys, I have the circle. Hey, don't you think we're having a great fun? Yeah, we're having a great fun. I'm gonna make circles. Now I'm gonna make the other one. What shape is this? What shape is this? What's the name of the shape? It has 1 corner that no. It's a heart shape. Guys, please subscribe this channel for upcoming more videos. Bye bye. Bye bye.